Alright, hello everyone. So, today we will be discussing what is called the product property with logarithms. So, it's kind of simple, hopefully. So, the way it goes is you have a log of base b of m times some number n. So, this is equivalent to log base b of m plus log base b of n. So the gist of this is that if we can break down whatever we're taking a log of as the product of two values, we can then expand it into the sum of those two values instead of the sum of the logs of the two values instead of the log of the product of the two. Anyway, or we can condense these logarithms too. So let's I think it'll help if we just jump right into an example. So condense into a single logarithm, simplify if possible, and we have log base 2 of 7 plus log base 2 of 4. So you gotta make sure the bases are the same. In this case, yeah, they are. So let's just simplify. We can, since we're adding the two together, when we simplify, we get log base 2 of 7 times 4. And then we can just simplify, just multiply the numbers together. So it's log base 2, 7 times 4 is 28. And that is it. That is our simplified logarithm. Yeah, so let's go on, try a couple more examples. Alright, so in part 2, we have the log of 25 and the log of 4. They have the same base because it's base 10, the common logarithm. So just combine them together. Log of 25 times 4, which can be simplified to log of 100, since 25 times 4 is 100. And this actually would be pretty easy to find a value of because it's base 10. Yeah, your answer would just be 2. Because since it's base 10, 10 squared is equal to 100. And that exponent's like your answer. But, that would be if you wanted to evaluate. It didn't technically ask us to evaluate, so your answer really should be this. But I did want to demonstrate how it can make finding the answer, if you were to evaluate it, easier. Because looking at log of 25 and log of 4, finding what those two would be equal to, base 10, would be kind of like a nightmare. Not really, but it would be annoying. So let's just move on to part 3. Same base 4, so let's combine them together. Log base 4, and we have 2x times 4x squared. We can simplify that. Again, log base 4 of, we have 2 times 4 giving us 8, and x times x squared giving us x to the third power. So that would be our answer for part 3. I'll just put parentheses around it. Make it look a little bit nicer, I guess. So that's how we can condense these logarithms. In the next video, I'll show you how we can expand logarithms using the product rule. product property, whatever it is.